Hi guys, so today I decided that since I'm not able to go anywhere for fireworks because of Corona, I was going to set some off in Minecraft, and I decided to show some to you. Don't know I have this. Anyway, let's go. Oh, that one's a black. As you can see, we're going to set off 40. Okay, here is the next one. Okay, and here is number 4. Okay, and then we're going to do some more colors. Are you ready for the next colors, guys? What color should we do next? Lime, yellow, cyan, and I don't know how to pronounce that anyway. Whoa, these are cyan. Beautiful, guys. Violet. Lime. This is beautiful. Please let me know what you think about it. I think it's gorgeous. The villager is drowning right now. That's a bit funny. Woo! Yellow. I don't know. Aren't we missing one? What color is that? Yep, we're missing this one. Here we go! Boom! And now we're gonna set off some more. Here we go, let's go. We've already done one. White blue. We haven't done purple. Pink. Brown, what would brown look like? We've done yellow. We haven't done green. We have done cyan. Let's look for red. Where is red? Where's red? Blue. White. Those are boring ones. Black. And what is this one? Firework. That's just a firework rocket. Don't know what color this is. I think this is green. Wow, that was beautiful. That was green. This one is next. Woo! Beautiful. Beautiful, that was brown. There's one more. Pink. It's not as pretty because I don't like pink. Next one. Oh, that was beautiful. Let's have some more red. Your heads are beautiful. Gorgeous. Sorry about the background noises. Oh my god, it is beautiful. It's gorgeous. Anyway, guys, let me know below in the comments which one was your favorite. And Happy New Year's. Have a great 2020. Bye!